Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use AI chatbots for language translation while traveling. So I will be on this chat GPT and you will just use a reliable AI chatbot. Choose like tools like ChatGPT or Google Translate or Microsoft Translator, but I will just recommend it for the ChatGPT. So I will just allow the voice mode feature and I will just give them command to that I will just speak in English, but you will just translate in uh, like French. So example, I will just show you how to. Hello ChatGPT, I will speak in English, but you will just translate in French. Is it okay?
Sure, that sounds good. Go ahead and speak in English, and I'll translate to French for you.
Okay. So some apps allow offline use, ensuring translation even without the internet. So translate in French.
Certaines applications permettent une utilisation hors ligne, garantissant la traduction même sans Internet.
So in this way, you will just use AI chatbot for language translation while traveling in any country which languages are changed like Japan, French, Spanish, and there are many more. So you will just use it. Simply just tap on it this voice mode feature, and you will just simply give them command that, or you will just speak in English and translate into French, Spanish, whatever you want. So in this way you will just have to use it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.